Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Vijay Dhiman and I want to share my experience with Sky Travels Go Holidays. So recently we were roaming around in Missouri and we found that they were selling memberships and everything. So we visited their place and we found that a very good offer for us. So for we took a membership for another 3 years, which is in a trial period, and on our first booking, we stayed in Missouri, and this was pleasant stay. And after that, we went for Mahakal Darshan in Ujjain. So we stayed in a hotel over there, which was a 3-star property, and this was really wonderful. And moreover, the best part was that the booking got done in like one day. And my special thanks to Mr. Bir Bahadur, who is a founding member and uh, partner of this Sky Travels holiday. So my sincere thanks to all the team and their efforts. So wish you all the best, guys. Thank you so much.